Hey YouTube, I ordered something on Amazon. I got it in the mail today. Today is April 11th, 6 o'clock. The estimated arrival for this was between the 31st of March and the 5th of April, and it came here about 6 days late. At least I got it. Came home today and it was in the mailbox. And it's a Zippo, starting a collection. I like Zippo lighters. I thought they're very unique. And it's my first Zippo. I have a counterfeit one that was made in Korea. It sucks really bad. The wick burnt down like fuse. But this is my first real one. So it's let's see what we got here. It's in the little box right there. Zippo. Turn on the light. It's just in a little neat leather box. Whoops, my voice kind of cracked there. And right there, Zippo. $21.95. This camera has terrible autofocus. Sorry about that. There we go. And I got it on Amazon for what was it? $15.52, I think. $15.52. And it just says $21 because that's how much it was on the Zippo website. And it's a black matte Zippo. It's made in USA. A little ad for Zippo Blue. I saw a review on YouTube from, I forget his name. It's like Culty Lover, I think. On Zippo Blue. I don't think it's a very good lighter. There it is. It has some kind of plasticky. It's not really plastic. It's kind of metal paint on the outside. Has this nice Zippo logo. Feels very sturdy. Has the official Zippo logo on the bottom right there. Kind of hard to open up for some reason. Oh, that's why it has a sticker on the back. I'm pretty retarded today. Has a do not give to child logo on it. Has a warning, says keep away from children. This lighter is not child resistant. Ignite a lighter away from face and clothing, whatever. Just get this sticker off. Okay. Has a nice shiny look to it. Very bright spark. I have some fuel. I'm gonna fuel this. I'm probably just gonna cut the video and fuel it up, show it to you what it's like when it's fueled up. And yeah, it's a really nice lighter. Oh shoot. Try to do the top pop there. Squeeze. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the video and show it to you when it's has fuel in it. So I will see you then. Okay, I got this one right here fueled up. This is the counterfeit one, White Challenge. It just says Korea on the bottom of it. And see, it's really crappy because the fit, like the lid, it doesn't go back, and I don't know if that's because of the cam. Whoops, I have the dropsies today. The cam is kind of crappy, and it makes a horrible squeaky noise. And like you have to keep constantly pushing down the the whole lighter back into the insert, and it's pretty crappy. And it's not good. On this one, it's perfect. Like it fits fine. It always has that classic noise when it opens up. The flame, it's huge. It's like more than 2 inches. Let me turn off the light. It's really decent. The wick is just fine. I think it's a really good lighter. The flint has a nice bright spark to it, which gets it lit pretty well. Hold on, let me push it to the insert more. It's a good lighter. This one, like I said, the wick burnt down pretty quick. It burnt down like fuse because like it was a bad quality wick. There's like nothing in there now. It's just the hole. And like for example, if I just take the, it's hard as hell trying to take the body out of the insert. And it has this crappy foam. Cover. And I don't know if these are rayon balls or cotton balls. It's just, I don't like it that much. It's not good. And it's pretty tough getting it back in the insert. I mean tough getting it back in the insert. This, on the other hand, is easy to take out. Easy. And has a nice felt pad at the bottom. I've never been really so sure what that hole was. I don't know if it was used to fill it up with fluid or to store an extra flint in there. Really wasn't so sure. Oops. It's good lighter. I like it. So that was my review on the matte black Zippo. Good lighter. I recommend it. It's a good lighter. And this is Crazy Killers signing out. See ya.